Hi guys, welcome back to another vlog. It is Friday today and Michaela and Lindsay are coming over. We haven't hung out, all three of us, since February, which is crazy. We did like a Valentine's Day brunch. As you guys might have remembered, we did like a gift exchange, but we haven't seen each other, like all three of us, since then. So that's really crazy. It's been like 6 months. So we're finally all hanging out together. Lindsay got engaged like a week and a half ago, so I set up a cute little display outside on the patio for her. And unfortunately, it is raining, and I feel like every time I plan something, it just, like, something goes wrong, or it's raining and it's miserable out. So I'm hoping, fingers crossed, that it clears up, because we were supposed to take pictures outside and go out to lunch outside, and now it's just a crummy day. And it hasn't rained here for like 3 weeks, so I swear it's just like really bad luck. But I'm just waiting on them, and I'll show you guys the display outside, and hopefully I will vlog all day with them. I'm literally having the worst luck because it's raining, but I put this bride balloon that I got from Target. I just hung it up there, and then down here I got Lindsay this shirt that I just found on Amazon, this bride-to-be sash. This I found at Target. And then I made cupcakes last night, chocolate cupcakes, because those are Lindsay's favorite. And then I decorated them pink. It's so humid, it's like fogging up. And then I got her these napkins. So I'm just waiting on them, and hopefully it clears up. It's like soaking wet everywhere. This is my outfit of the day. I showed you guys this last time in my last vlog, but this jumpsuit is from Red Dress Boutique. So cute. Oh god, it's see-through. Oh well, I'll probably have to change my underwear, but it's really cute. So I'm just wearing this. It's so cozy. I just want it to get, I feel like I'm so bummed, but I just want it to get sunny out. Is that so much to ask? I just made my iced coffee of the day. I'm gonna put exactly what I use off to the side, but I showed you on my Instagram stories how I made it, and it literally comes out so good, and I'm obsessed. I would drink this over Starbucks, which says a lot. So I'm just gonna drink this before they come. Teddy's like on edge today. He's all over the place. He's so rambunctious. I don't know what's going on with him. But now I'm just waiting, and I think it's clearing up. It looks like it's getting a bit bright. Whoa, that is a ring. It's so pretty. She's engaged. I'm holding on to this finger for the rest of the day. Oh, it's nothing big, but
oh, it's adorable. Oh.
You like the bride balloon up top.
So
I made these last night for you.
oh.
Answer about the chocolate.
I love it.
Strawberries.
No, you didn't.
I tried to be slick. I was gonna get
She was gonna bring them.
strawberries.
Oh my god, I didn't even realize.
I'm like, do you guys want anything left over?
And then I was like, why did you say leftovers? Nobody wants the leftovers.
Sorry.
Isn't this cute?
Adorable.
You can wear this for one of the photos. I think that would be cute.
That'd be adorable. That'd
I
be
love the
adorable.
shirt.
Thank you guys.
It's beautiful.
It's so
I
cute.
think that matches your vanity too.
It does.
Yeah.
It really does.
So
Oh,
cute.
thanks,
So
friend.
cute. Uh-oh, it's from the edge of the umbrella. Friend, this is
Cutest
beautiful.
thing.
I left my phone inside.
That's fine.
Look at this little mini pompous. Is that a pompous?
Bunny tail.
A bunny tail.
Bright tail nails in it.
So cute. Frank, can you do that?
Save.
Yeah.
I think it's raining.
No. Don't say that. Linz, this is too pretty to open.
I know.
Okay.
You would. Okay, let's open.
Oh.
Is it fine if I film this?
Yes.
I'm filming this. Is that okay?
That's fine.
She says she's pregnant. I swear to God, I'm freaking out. It's heavy.
How cute! Oh, so cute.
Izzy. Wow, this smells like a
Oh my god, this is the cutest thing I've ever
fresh
seen.
treat.
Oh, no, you didn't.
I don't have a picture of us. This is
Neither
so
do I. I'm
cute.
putting this on our bedside.
This is a picture, like a really pretty frame. I can
It's
find
really
this.
pretty.
TJ Maxx.
Ooh.
Wow, this was last fall. We're all in our fall clothes.
Fall colors. That's why.
This smells really good. Is this what I'm
That's
smelling?
cute. That's the cutest thing.
Oh, I love this. This is a vibe, this
Yes.
candle.
That is my theme.
Oh, I I love it. Thanks, Linz.
Welcome.
And yes, the answer's yes.
So.
All taking photos. This is my dress from Red Dress Boutique. Where's your dress from? You're in this.
Oh. Pretty little things.
Pretty little thing. Let me see yours. ASOS. So cute.
That is so cute. ASOS is a site, huh?
Yeah.
I'm shocked on this.
Yeah, I don't usually either.
It's a goodie.
Out to lunch. We got a lot of fries. Excessive amount. Chicken tenders, grilled cheese, more fries. Buffalo chicken quesadilla. Is it good?
It's really good.
Good morning, happy Saturday. I just did a very light makeup and then I put a Buxom gloss on, but I wanted to try out a new mascara. So this is from Pat McGrath and I'm gonna link this down below. I was sent this free for review from Octoly and Pat McGrath, but this is the Dark Star Mascara. Look at this packaging, it's so pretty. And this is in the shade Extreme Black. So I'm just going to curl my lashes first because I always curl my lashes. Hi, baby. And we're gonna test this out together. Definitely need to clean my lash curler. All right, so this is what the actual mascara tube looks like. All pretty and gold. And we are gonna see how this works. I'm looking for volume and length, a little mix of both. So first, this is what the brush looks like. Love this kind of like big fluffy brush. And let's see how it works. All right, so that's what it looks like. It definitely does a good job at separating lashes. Let's see. All right, so this is what my lashes look like. Definitely gives some length and it separates them, which I really like. And so far, I really do like it. I think it looks good. Not as much length, but I feel like, actually it does give length. I feel like it gives a little bit of everything. So I'm gonna link this down below and I'll see how it wears throughout the day, see if it like transfers or anything, but it does look really pretty. All right, so it's later in the day and I just got sushi. I feel like takeout sushi doesn't seem appealing, but this actually smells really good. And we couldn't sit outside because it was all full, so we had to do takeout. But I'm really excited because it smells so freaking good. So I actually don't remember what I got. I think I got shrimp tempura, avocado, lobster, and I have no idea. So this is what it looks like. We're just having this. I'm gonna watch something. Oh, actually, season 2 of The Umbrella Academy came out, so I think we might watch that. but I'm gonna devour this. Hey guys, happy Sunday. We just went to the grocery store, so I wanted to show you what we picked up. Not too many things, but we have blueberries here. Love having blueberries in my oatmeal. I got the protein oatmeal this time. This has 10 grams of protein. Wow! I also got more fruit, so blueberries, watermelon, cantaloupe, melon. We also have bananas here. I really like Welch's fruit snacks, so we got these. I got iced coffee. I've been really liking iced coffee, and I ran out of my pods, so I got the Vanilla International Delight iced coffee. Hopefully that's good. We have almond milk, which is coconut almond milk. Let me see that. Let me see it. We also have Irish style oatmeal. This is what Scott eats. We also have almond butter. Justin's classic almond butter, sunscreen for Scott. We have cashew ripe strawberry breakfast bars, and then organic eggs and toothpaste. So that is what we picked up at the store today. Now we're gonna put this away. Right, Puff? Teddy's getting groomed this week because he's so hairy. He's a hairy monster. Is that nice? Where's your football? Where is it? All right. And we have to clean this place, so cleaning, putting all this stuff away, and that's pretty much it for the day. All right, so this is what we're having for dinner tonight. Pork carnitas tacos from HelloFresh. We're actually gonna do barbecue though, because I love barbecue tacos. That's like the best of the best. But this only takes 35 minutes. It's 870 calories. It's actually kind of high. Oh well.
For what it is, yeah.
Yeah, isn't it? What's so high in that? Maybe the sauce or something? I don't know, but these always come out really good. We get HelloFresh every single week. No, not sponsored, and I pay for it myself, but it is really, really good. We also have green beans from the garden, and I want to go out and show you guys my watermelons because they are growing finally, but we do have some green beans in a little coconut bowl. But let's go out and see the watermelons. Little baby watermelons. So cute. I'm in a jungle. Cherry tomatoes. This one looks pretty good. I feel like ones down there look pretty good. Still a lot growing in. Oh crap. There's a bunch over here. I love cherry tomatoes. We also have big tomatoes, but they are not ready yet. But it looks like there's gonna be a bunch of these too. This is a picture of me when I was 4 years old. I look so angry. RBF started at age 4? That's crazy. I wasn't happy about playing soccer, I guess. What do you think, Puff? What do you think? Are you getting groomed this week? You'll feel so much better. What? Alright, I think I'm gonna end my vlog now. I hope you guys enjoyed it, and I will see you all in a couple of days.